Appliance Doctor is here live at Grumps Valley Ski Lodge, getting ready to replace a bottom heating element that went bad. We checked it with the meter, and it's definitely a bad element. And we're going to do this with 80 gallons of water in the tank. How is that possible? We're about to show you. So to confirm that you got the right element, 4,500 watts, 240 volts, and then over here on the manufacturer label we confirm that it's 4,500 watts and 240. Okay, and we want to make sure that we turn the power off. So at this time we're going to go ahead and hit the disconnect, and power is off, and we're going to double check at this time to make sure the power is off. So we go across the two top leads, and our meter is at 0. So we know the power is definitely shut off. Then we're going to go ahead and turn the water off. And we got the water turned off now. And then we're going to go ahead and bleed all the extra pressure out of the tank. Okay, down to the last drip of pressure there. And make sure after relieving the pressure, you don't open up any of the faucets in the house and put the valve back down and closed. That's what's going to help keep that water from gushing out when we remove the bottom element. So now for tools, we're going to need... Alright, part 2, make sure you have your tools all laid out, your screwdrivers, your element wrench, your meter, and the insulation that was in between the plates, keep that, you're going to need that back. Also have your element already out of the package and ready to go, your wire's off, so all you have to do is swap them out. So we're going to swap them out. We got our element ready, our towel stuck in here to make sure that we catch about maybe a half a cup of water out of 80 gallons. So we'll get this started to where we can do this by hand. And then the most important thing is when you pull this element out, make sure the gasket comes off with it and that this gasket is already in place. So this gasket needs to be on place. It's going to be in the package. Make sure that's in place and that this one comes out. This one's about freed loose. Go ahead, pull it out, put the new one in, start it up by hand. Okay, make sure you do it by hand. With a towel. Okay, finger tight. Dry it up. Go ahead and tighten it. And the wrench comes with a hole in it, so you can put a long screwdriver in there and give it a little bit of a torque. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and turn the water on and leak check it. So, water's on. And we're going to relieve some air that's in that tank. Okay. Now, we're going to wire it up. And after we wire it up, leak check it once. Nice and dry. Wire it up. Go turn the power on. And in minutes, It'll start making hot water and we'll be back in business. So that's how you do it, replacing a bottom element with 80 gallons of water in it. Live from Grumps Valley Ski Lodge, the Appliance Doctor.